We'll guide you through how to transfer conversations from one ChatGPT account to another. This method uses the data export feature to move your chats. Let's get started. First, sign in to the ChatGPT account that contains your conversations. Now, click on your profile icon and go to Settings. From the left-hand side, select Data Controls. Next to Export Data, click on Export, then press Confirm Export. You may need to verify your request using a code sent to your email. Once confirmed, you'll see a message saying your data export has been requested. Now, wait for the email. This can take some time, sometimes a few hours or even a couple of days. When your export is ready, you'll receive an email with a download link. Download the file to your computer. Extract the zip folder. Inside, you'll find your exported conversations, usually in a JSON file format. Now, sign out and log in to your second ChatGPT account. Locate the downloaded file on your computer. Then simply drag and drop the file into ChatGPT to upload or reference your conversations. And that's it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.